Look, Ellie! A tiny secret door in the dirt. Who lives down there? Let's shrink down with our imagination and take a peek. Wow, it's an underground tunnel. It's dark, but it feels so cozy. And look at all the plant roots hanging down. What are you doing down here, Wiggly?
I'm making space for air and water to slide right down to the thirsty roots.
Tunnels help them breathe. What are you doing down here, Wiggly?
I'm digging and dancing. I crunch up old leaves and make tunnels in the soil.
Why do you make so many tunnels, Wiggly? My tunnels make space for air and water to slide right down to the thirsty roots. It helps them breathe. You make the soil super healthy and rich for our plants.
Yep, worms are the plant's best underground helpers.
There are so many of you working together. Thank you, Worm Team, for taking care of our garden. Whew, that was fun, but I'm ready for some fresh air. Me too. Let's head back up to the sunshine. Okay, little explorers, time for a pause. Can you stomp your feet on the ground and say thank you to all the worms? Thanks for exploring the secret world under our feet today. We had so much fun. See you on our next big adventure. Bye!